Then we have the spell checker feature. I think you already saw it before it popped up. How it works is like if we enter a typo like hypertension. So this chunk is wrong. So our TS should probably give us the suggestion for it. It says, do you mean hypertension? If yes, you can just click on yes and it will search the correct one. So right now, if you see the results are bad here, but if you just click the hypertension as yes, you will see the search results being changed. So if you see here, the concept name now is the hypertension, which is correct. This is how we correct our spelling. So it will probably pop up when you will have like abbreviations. So let's try one abbreviation T2DM, type 2 diabetes mellitus. It will so here, if you see, we just entered the T2DM, which is an abbreviation, and we got the concept name for it and the concept code. So it can also work with abbreviation or let's say difficulty in breathing. So the difficulty in breathing gives us breathing difficulty, all these concepts, and you can always filter it by the vocab. So you'll get the ICD-10 CN code. And if you just want to see it as a condition, you can just have the condition domain filter on and search it. So the domain will always be condition. So you'll get all the results of difficulty in breathing and the domain condition in the code system as ICD-10 CN. So this is for the search functionality.